Pwede mag-utang ng sardinas. Umagang-umaga naman, kuya. Antok pa po kayo? Hindi. Dipes Shetra. Junji Gadil. Hello, Junji. Kahit malamig, nagpapaypay ako kasi malamok. Sheldon. Thank you guys for tapping the screen. Hindi ko naman marin. Alas 9 na pala, guys. Maulan kasi dito sa amin. Umuulan.
Hi.
Hi. Good morning.
यो आईडी बाट चाहिँ मैले फर्स्ट टाइम देखेको।
Kuya MVP, ikaw lang one. Hello, ikaw lang one. Hi, Conching Agabaw. Shy girl, hello, good morning. Boss Bodino, salamat sa mga bagong join. iPad tita. Times to give 10 points, guys. Hi, Jose Marie Mojica. Hello, good morning, Jose. Good morning, Jose. Thank you so much sa lagi mong pag-comment sa panonood ng aking videos. Ayan, sobrang napaka-appreciative sa mga ginagawa niyo sa akin. Sa pagsubaybay niyo, Jose Marie Mojica Vlog. Thank you so much. Ikaw lagi ko nakikita sa comment. Zayn Liam! Hello, Zayn Liam. Good morning. Wayudis Clankers. Hello. Thank you so much. Bakla ang kalaban mo, ah. Sino? Ayan, bakla. Di ko alam. Bakla ba siya? Parang babae naman. Zayn Liam Azlor, good morning. Maraming salamat sa pag-like ng ating live. Thank you so much. Mariter, Strongman, 1-2. Salamat sa mga bagong join dyan. Don't forget to like my live and share the live, guys. Thank you so much. Hello, Idol. Kita, good morning. Thank you, Vicente Amador. Salamat. Burn out?
Yes, it's the light.
There's no light? Burn out? OMG. It's burn out, guys. Buti nakapag-charge tayo. Baka hanggang alas 3 na naman to. Okay, you close the ref now. Baka magkakaroon bigla. Buti na lang may power supply kami. Malin, thank you for joining. Kaso aabot lang yung power supply mga half day, 6 hours lang, 4 to 6 hours. JBG Boss. Chloe, salamat sa mga bagong join dyan. Salamat sa mga bagong pasok. Don't forget to like my live and share the live, guys. Ace Delapania, salamat sa mga bagong join, Sheldon. Wala ka bang latest upload, madam? Pero yung ararawan, di pa ako nakaka-move on. Asan na Madam Unnat? Nakakainis yung mga sinasabi mo, Madam Unnat. Unnatan ka kaya mo? Makapag-unnat ka kanya, unnatan kan. Eksakto ti measurement mo di lungon mo. And much love, shout out. Hi Prince Bostel, good morning sa Kalam. Good morning din po. Di ka makamove on di Madam Unnat, Madam Kulot. Tamsak, thank you Jose. Will you close that? Baka magkaroon din ng kuryente. Close mo yan. Parikoy, thank you for joining. Nag-agahan ka na sa Kalam. Oo, maaga. Maaga kami nag-agahan. Hi Jefferson Gadiasa, salamat sa mga bagong join dyan. Marvin Dela Cruz Ancient Hub, salamat sa mga bagong join. Thank you so much JK Velasco, shout out. Thank you so much. Kahit ano na naman to nag-uploading post. Ano to? Hi Marvin Dela Cruz Dur. Salamat sa mga bagong join. Parikoy, salamat sa mga nagtatap ng ating screen dyan. Don't forget to like my live and share the live, guys. Ganda ng umaga dyan, Miss Kalogay. Nako, grab. So, duper malamig dito sa amin. Kaso nga, nakasando ako, diba? Hi, beautiful girl. Love you. Thank you so much, Joa Quereya. Salamat sa mga bagong join, guys. Kakain lang muna sa Kalama. Anong ulam mo? Baka naman pwede ka mag-share. Ang ulam namin noodles tsaka tuyo. Thank you, JK Velasco. Shout out. Thank you so much. Hi, Mokang. Rich AM. Thank you for joining. Nick Gasingko. Salamat sa mga bagong join. Attitude. Ganda mo naman today, baby. Di ba laging maganda? Ngayon lang ba? Wow, thank you so much for the salbabida. Thank you for the dollar. Mimi, salamat sa mga bagong join dyan. Shayon Magpayon, Marvin De La Cruz Jr. Salamat sa mga bagong join. Don't forget to like my live and share the live, guys, so that there's a lot of people who encounter and updated on my live. Christine, salamat sa mga bagong join. Rod, thank you so much, JK Velasco, shout it out. Wow, thank you for the wonderful MVP right now. Thank you so much for my best MVP, JK Velasco, shout it out. Thank you so much. Pare Koy, salamat sa mga nagtatap ng ating screen. Hi Megan, good morning. Good morning Megan, kamusta ka na? You are so cute today. Salamat po sa mga compliment nyo. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you so much for the good compliment to all of you guys. Thank you so much. La 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 tan tananan. Hi from Iceland. Hello, Mr. Kamatis. Thank you so much, JK. Shout it out. Good morning. Pahingi naman ako niyan. Ano yung hihingin mo? Megan, much love. Shout out. Morning. Okay lang po. Sabes que tu miradas la mandome.
Marcela.
Hi.
I selling now.
When?
Now selling. Hola.
Wow. That is my breakfast for today. That is my breakfast.
Malini bulo.
Oh, dried fish. Oh, you look like dried fish ngayon. Mekra. Meka. You look like dried fish now. My friend from Malaysia selling right now from Malaysia selling dried fish, and now her face is look like dried. Maayong gabi po. Hello po. Maayong gabi sa imong tanan.
Loga, tali mo ko niya di. Loga. Hindi kita gawin lalo.
Ang dami niyang panindang guys, dried fish. Meka, you have already sold dried fish. Oh, nice. Porsisa Morino, Parikoy, salamat sa mga nagtatat ng ating stream. Hi from USA. Feeling, hindi ka naman from USA, Chad. Chad, thank you for joining. Salamat sa mga bagong join. Laging PH. Mabalin umutang kanya na dry fish, madam. Piya lang nga mapulutan. Samahan mo ng 2x2. Meka! Is it able to credit dried fish?
This, the fish dish.
I credit. I am going give me and I will pay next year.
You come here, I give you.
You send it here now.
Tapos lakuni, lapula
Hi, Manam. Thank you for joining.
Jose, kakito ni. Ami
Ang ingay dun sa lugar niya. Hello. Okay, what are you doing now? Hi, Georgetown. Good morning. Shout out. Manuel Joke Reaction Videos. Wober Comus. Hello. Shout out from Tando. Hello, Sep TV Official. Hindi ko pa alam kung anong pagkain sa Kalam Madi makaawat. Hindi nakakaintindi dito si Mekra. Puro siya yes. Ganun. Marlon Mendez. Oh, may ine-entertain siya. Nagtitinda siya ng tuyo, daing, sapsap, tsaka duling na tinapa. Amboy, thank you for joining. Maraming salamat sa mga bagong join. Anya ko na. Oh, mapankan. Kaya't na Madam Pintas Daras, mapankan. Hi, Jace. Hello, Jace. Welcome on my live, Jace. Momo, hello. Hi, Jor. Thank you so much. Just get the number 3 gifter badge. Thank you so much, guys, for joining on my live. And don't forget to like my live and share the live, guys. Thank you so much. Hi, Bed Rodriguez. Salamat sa mga bagong join dyan, Lovely Flores. Good morning pa, shout out po from Hong Kong. Hi, Ivan David. Hi, Jace. Where are you from? Thank you so much for joining. Paulo Emuto Gustoso. Hi, ano to? Hindi ko magets. Bakit ang dami nagko-comment ng Espanyola? Hawaii! Hi, Jace! Thank you so much for following me. Welcome, Jace from Hawaii. Shout out. Thank you, Georgetown! Georgetown! Shout out! Hola, hola! Wow, thank you for the gift. Thank you so much, Hiya. Thank you, Georgetown. Miss A, salamat. Okay, Inday, para sa'yo. Salamat sa mga gift mo sa akin everyday, Georgetown. You are my number 1, top 1 supporters here and Chubyu. Yan. Chubyu ha, not YouTube. Chubyu. Okay, Inday, para sa'yo. Salamat. Maraming salamat. Ay. Yung natutulog kong yellow, cold na morning, nagiging hot. Hi, Mararaja! Hihi, wala na ni Mararaja. Blaze McKinley, thank you so much for joining. Don't forget to like my live. Hi, Mecca!
Okay.
You have a lot of customer, I think.
Ha?
You have a lot of customer o a lot of marites? A lot of customer o a lot of like this?
No, I don't get it.
Oh, why you're going to talk each other, then they don't want to pay you?
Oh, the people buy my fish dry.
Ah, they buy your fish dry?
Yes.
How about your face? They can't buy?
Come here, I give you the fish dry.
Your face? How about your face? Is already dry.
This is my daddy.
Ah, hi, Daddy.
Hi.
Hi. Oy, wow. Supportive, Daddy.
Yes, my daddy.
Wow. That's very nice. You have a lot of black hole. Yes, I have a lot of black hole like this. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hey, like me. This?
Yes.
This?
Oh,
This?
this one.
This?
This one me. This one kadamdama. This no. This one. This one. This one. This one. This one. This nog.
Nakatudong na.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.
Okay. Enjoy your live selling, okay? Nagla-live selling. Sabi ko, nagtitinda siya ng dried fish. Ngayon, yung mukha niya nagiging dry na. Dried face na tuloy. Melvin Shouty. Hello, Melvin. Hello from Thailand. Hello. Shout out. Sawadika. Kapag ka. Sawain ka. Kapunin ka pa. Sawain ka. Kapun ka. Kapunin ka. Tasupot ka. Kaya tinaginbay. It's coming to town. You better not cry. It's more fun in the Philippines. Hi, mabuhay. Ay, seryoso sila. Ako lang masaya. Hi, Gabonga Vlogs. Hello. It's more fun in the America. Mabuhay, Pilipinas. Puro it's more fun yun pala, ano. Naghihirap na ang Pilipinas. Mag-live tayo ng mag-live. Ha? Pangarap ko kasi maging anak ng contractor. King Ram Kabahog, salamat sa mga bagong joy. Hi. Parang ayoko na sabi sabi nung sa parang ayoko na maging tindera, sabi ni Kuya Bernie. Parang ayoko na maging tindera. Gusto ko na lang maging anak ng kontraktor. Ano sabi niya? Pati ba naman mukha napapansin mo sa kalab? Mayat sakit tarire nga Madam Pintas. Kalog ka talaga unnat. Makasasar ata nga. Ikatuman ata nga unnateng ka nga din na urasan nga na madi ka makaangang. Okay. Thank you so much guys. Don't forget to like my live. Hi.
Sula.
Bala ka biyag mo. So beautiful. Hi. Good morning, Lucas Ignacio. Thank you for joining. Don't forget to like my live and share the live, guys. Papintas tayo, mamot. Nagpintas kami ng agiti kalaban ko. Balin tayo nga gurang. Neng, apa yung napingawan mo dadya pang kilay ko. Di pa ibagbagamot. Oh, napintas ako. Ilang taon ka na, madam? Sabi niya. Magsi-60 na ako next year. Malapit na ako sa ayuda. Malapit na ako maging senior citizen. Alam nyo ba? Malapit na ako mag-senior citizen. Awanti kwarta anak no anak ka ni kontraktor ko nana. Adda nagadugarod ti kwarta dagi di kontraktor ti kwan DPWA. Hi morning girl, ligo na tayo. Bang shit ko na nakindi. Hindi ko na sana pinagmasdan. Hi, Jose. Hello, Jose. Ang iyong ganda. Isuot tayo dati yun. Uray na murmursa. Bawat ngiti mong may gayuma. O, diba? Ano sabi niya? Isuot mo, madam. Makapamistikulot ko, nana. Sige, tapos kargaan tayo, tikwa, ah. Tapno, hindi lang, puro ibang lahi kasi. Hi, Malo. Thank you for joining. Hola, Prinsesa here, Hermosa. Hi, Larkal. Anything? Yes. Why? May kahawig ka, PB Katis. I want to chat. Okay. You're going to comment his. Kakaloka ka, day. Bahala ka dyan, host. Malapit ka na magkaayuda. Pero ba si Family Life? Sikat na to si Family Life dito sa madami siya subscriber. Tignan nyo yung niya, guys. 70,000 subscriber. Family Life. Ikaw ang may ayuda na. Wow! Hi, Larkal! Thank you for joining. Larkal! Make me win this time, Snipe! Snipe! That's a lot. No, my friend here in YouTube. There's a lot of followers, subscribers. Me, in TikTok, I'm only have 150,000 subs. 150,000 followers. Hello, Miss Anything, Hip Hop Supervision. Salamat sa mga bagong join. Hindi ko na sana pinagmas. Hi, Didi! Thank you for joining. Ang iyong ganda. Hi, Rolando! At hindi na rin pinansin pa. Dahil sa... Nakita ko na naman kamukha. Haha. Marilo Rionisto. Salam. Hi, Roland. Welcome on my live. Hello, hola. Roland. Thank you for joining. Dahil sa akala ko'y hindi ako may bago kang nunal. Marami akong nunal. Yan. Hi, Tang. Marvin Exian. Salamat sa mga bagong join. Hi, hello, idol. Sa forehead mo? Oo. Bakit? Fake? Oo nga. Hindi nga fake yan. Totoo yan. Hi Marvin, Arnel del Rosario, ganda mo, good morning. Hi Ricardo din pa, salamat. Ala, 217 viewers guys, abot nyo ng 50 likes po ito. Guys, abot nyo po ng 50 likes po, 33 likes pa lang po tayo. 50 likes guys, 21 minutes pa lang pala tayo nagla-live. Taga saan ka idol, sabi ni Lloyd? Taga US Navy ako. Hi Louis Abad de la Fuente, thank you for following me. US Navy, United States of Nueva Vizcaya. Hi, Crisanto Velarde, Adamet paminta taro pa mun madam kulot. Makauma maata, madam unna, tapos madam kulot man. Mukha kang Indiana. Hi, Lord George Inguilo.
Yan pa lang talaga.
Thank you for joining, guys. Akala mo hindi ako random rot. Hi, kabsa tagpainit ka ti sopas kabsat no nalamiis dita. Librem. Ikaw pala ang aaki sa pag-ibig mo. Hi, Rap Derecho. Hello, Gandalan. Shout out from Balayan, Batangas. Hi, Crisanto Velarde. Salamat sa mga bagong join dyan. Luis Claudio, thank you for joining. Ramen ti hapon. Apo, nagimasan no ramen ti hapon. Pa-shoutout Jonathan Alonso. Shout out. Thank you for joining, guys. Ay apo. Anya nga ay apo manan. Asma ka.
Hi.
Hi. Hi, adin no ti Iliyo. Dito ako, Bacolod City. Ili, Bacolod City. Anong banda ti Bacolod ka nagkaday ti Biskaya? Ano ba din sukatan? Sardinason. Kunana. Hi, Adino. Hi, Juan Libaman. Thank you for joining. Barbaro Pukis na. Kulutak-tak ka. Ang ganda ng taling mo sa noo. Para kang Indian girl. Hi, Robsy. Good morning, Stephen. Salamat sa mga bagong join dyan. Don't forget to like my live and share the live, guys. Hi lang, gayon mo daw. Thank you, Ryan Maravilas. Hip Hop Supervision. Romeo Certeza, thank you so much for joining. Hi ma'am, pakibati naman po ako. My God, Albert Serafika di kagbabati. Sabi niya kasi nagpakibati, di syempre sabihin ko, Albert Serafika, my God, Albert di kagbabati, pera dildelaw. Oh, tapos na Albert, nabati na kita. Hi Eduardo Senior Valderrama, good morning. Hello Beb, musta ka na alam mo na miss kita. Alam mo din, Mario, hindi kita na-miss. Hi, Hi, Ramram. Good morning. Hi, Eduardo. Thank you so much sa power hug. Thank you so much. Ay, power hug. Love you so much. Ayan. Anyamutan ko na. Hi, Sam! Sam, will you please make me win this time? Because I was a bugbog 10 times. lahat ng lugar sa mukha mo magandang maganda. O talaga? Bakit may anong klaseng lugar? Ay, thank you, Sam. Thank you so much, Sam. Where are you from, Sam, again? Haha, ayos ang bati ah. Ang dami namin natutunan sa'yo. Pabalagbag, madam. Ipagpatuloy mo, madam. Sige, to be continued. Okay. Hi, Sam. How are you? Hi, William Yam. Jonal Javier. Asheville, USA. What is NC? North California, North Carolina. North Carolina, United States of America. Wow, nice. Thank you so much, Sam. Jonathan, thank you for joining. Oh, diba? I'm so very have emotional intelligence. Umay ka, kalog, agasawa kayo, kadaytoy barumi, ay nawaw. Sana ikaw na lang, sabi ni Randero Olol. 2 minutes to go and 10 seconds before the PK and live, guys. Don't forget to tap the screen and share the live to have so much more people can update on my life. William Yang, good morning to all of you. Shak ni Nolly. Hello, Nolly. Ako to, si Miss Anything. Wow, thank you so much for the hand heart. Zam, thank you so much. Ay, naganda. Thank you, Sam. Thank you so much, Sam. Shout it out. Wow, thank you so much. Wow, there's a lot of gift. Wilmer Negama, thank you so much for the hand heart. Thank you so much, Sam, for the raining heart, big heart. Thank you so much. Shout it out to you. Hi, Crispin Arce. Hello, big respect to you, Sam. Thank you. Big respect. Thank you so much for the hand hearts. Hi, Nel 370. Nagpintas nga balasa ngayon. Madipay agdigdigos ko na na. Kapay ko man madagdigdigos sa makaidda. Wow! Level up, level 8. Wow, shout out, Sam. Thank you so much. Jose! Hello, Jose! Ano naman kinuha mo? Morning! Hello, Jose! Miss Anything ba pangalan mo sa Toktik, Madam Pintas? One. Miss Anything. Shakon. 47 tamsak, Miss Ganda. Hi, Kabagli Channel. Shout out. Thank you so much, guys, for liking on my live. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and push the notification bell button below para updated kayo sa aking mga bagong upload content. Joey Ari, salamat sa mga bagong join dyan. Eufemio, Mel, thank you for joining. Norving24, salamat sa mga bagong join. King Lipski, thank you so much. Watching from South Cotabato from Antonio Jr. Villa Carlos. Shout out po. Thank you so much, guys. Much love, shout out, and MLSO. Ay! Panalo tayo! Thank you so much, Sam. Thank you so much. Shout out to you. Apay, hello kay Apay. Kasanupay, tilubong kuno, awan kano. Watching from India, Northeast. Hi, George Sowa, shout out. Pa-shoutout kay J Car. Si Reyes, hello po. Manny, hello Manny. Could I subscribe? I don't know if you want to subscribe my YouTube channel. First time street gifting, 25 seconds to go, guys. Hi, Valentin Espal. Salamat sa mga bagong join. 4 minutes to go and 31 seconds before the PKM live. Wow! Yay! Wow, I'm the fairy now. Thank you so much. Sam! Thank you so much, Sam. Hey, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah. Wow. Balasa nga Pinta sa Hip Hop Supervision. Miss, wag magalit ha. Sa tingin ko, kamukha kayo ni Elias. Sino si Elias? Pangarap ko nga, maging anak na lang ng kontraktor. Joke lang. No way. Kasi hinahabol na sila. You are very Hi, Valentin Espaliardo Jr. Shout out. Valentin Espaliardo, salamat sa mga bagong join. Guys, remember we have 300 viewers. 56 pa lang po nag-likes. Abot ko na po ng 100 likes tayo. Thank you so much sa Paulmitan. Ferdinand Arena, hello, Ronnie, Hilda. Thank you so much guys for subscribing to my YouTube channel. And don't forget guys to push the notification bell button below at huwag kayo mag-i-skip ng ads. Okay? Kabagli channel, huwag kayo tawa-tawa dyan. Mamaya sasakit na naman tiyan nyo. Ubus na mo loperamide ko. Huwag kayo tawa-tawa dyan guys. Ay, ubos na yung loperamide ko, guys. Hi, Crazy Editor. Salamat sa mga bagong join dito. Gusto mo magbaliwan tayo? Ako to si Miss Kalog. Hi, Ramil Apordo. Sana nakilala kita, ma'am. Sabi niya. Nakilala mo naman na ako, di ba? Anong akala mo sa akin ngayon? Di mo ako kilala. Sabatika. Anong sabatika? Sawadika. Sawadika! Kapunin ka! Sawadika! Kapunin ka! Hi, Ranjit Singh! Nalski! Pintas Kalata. Thank you, Genesis Santiago. You have a beautiful smile. Salamat po. Thank you po. Maraming salamat po sa mga nagtatot ng ating screen. Ate, may anak po kayo, ate. Wala. Bakit? Susustentuhan mo ba kapag may anak ako? Single ka ba, ma'am? Pakialam mo naman ako, sabi niya. Paano kita papakialaman yung buhay mo, papakialaman ko? Ano akala mo sa akin? Hindi ako interview, hindi ako reporter. Adola amin nga ambom ko na nakibdin. Kasi syempre, ado talaga ambok, si kaawan ambom. Pabili po isang tindera. Naka-follow na ako sa Toktik mo, madam. Salamat Saint Liam sa pag-follow sa aking Toktik. Spalyardo, hello. Pare Koy, thank you for tapping the screen, guys. Hi, Hollandets, kaibigan. Iaw Van Tring. Guys, 1 minutes to go. Parang walang kalaban-laban yung kalabanan natin. Hi, JSAP. Salamat sa mga bagong join dyan. Where are you from? I am from US Navy, United States of Nueva Vizcaya. I am from US Navy, United States of Nueva Vizcaya. Ano name mo sa Toktik Lods? Pwede add kita. Miss anything po. Miss Ting Any. Miss Ting Any maganda. Ano dyan, te?
Dati frozen mo?
Awan, ante. Hi, Juanito Gabuyo. Salamat sa mga bagong join. Jose, thank you for joining. Hi, Kiro Ben Farney. But you looks like Japan. Sabi kanina, Indian, tapos ngayon Japan. Ako sa pakakasalan kita, if gusto nyo po, madam, pa-add na lang po ako. Ano, kailangan mo kasal lang, ganon? Asidig ka lang dito, ayan ko, kunana. Madik ang muno, ayan nati, ayan mo. Genesis. Nasa paraiso ka ba ni Adan? Okay, bye-bye. Thank you so much to my MVP, Zam. Thank you so much, Sam. Thank you so much. Hi, Crisanto Deo Caresa. Hello, good morning. Juanito Gabuyo, salamat sa mga... What happened to your teeth? My teeth is on dislocate right now. No, it's good because they were going to put this one. Sino to nag-invite sa? Hi! Jomar Balderrama. Pa-shout out, ma'am. Hello po, shout out po. Nalulunod. I am drowning. Why? I am drowning. Hi, Percy Andres, 391. Salamat po sa mga bagong join. Taga saan ka po, Lods? Dito ako ngayon sa Pangasinan, sabi niya. Magkalapit lang tayo. Hi, Pablo Aguila. Good morning. Have a nice and great day. God bless. Pablo Aguila. Daday, pa-shoutout po. Undoy Monares, Pagatang Man. Ramil Apordo, ilang taon ka na? Would you like to build a wall on your teeth? Ha? What kind of wall you want to... Hi! Thank you so much! Wow, ang cute. Thank you so much, Sam. Shout out. Ay, 400 na sa kabila, guys. Guys, tap the screen, everybody. Don't forget to tap the screen, guys. Hi, Parikoy. Makmak, thank you for joining. Shout out.
Thank you so much.
Nasa Pusurubyo po ako now. Ano ginagawa mo dyan sa Pusurubyo?
Had to walk away. All I have to do is add to the stay.
Tomorrow.
I tell her you'll be on you.
Na, I'm drowning. Sam.
No.
Lucky person nonsense.
Nothing to eat.
Daday.
Nothing. Absolutely nothing.
Oo nga. Sino ba si lucky person? 61 like done. Ay, thank you so much, guys, for tamsak. Malasiki lang ako, Lords. Ayan. Hello kay Sheldon. Parikoy, thank you for tapping the screen. Nice talking to you. Thank you so much, Lucky. Pasya lang po ako, taga Cebu. Talaga ako. Siguro nag-out of town ka lang. Jovi Amoto Tom, hello. Hi, Richie Banyares. Hello, Ading. Pa-shout out. Thank you so much, guys. Shout out po. Shout out kay Joel Manangat. Thank you, Sam, for reaching the target. Thank you so much. Hi, Parikoy. Hi, hello, ma'am. Good AM. Kamusta na po, ma'am? Arenas pa rin ba? Malakas dyan. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sam. Hi, Parikoy. Thank you for joining. Shout out. Creator Search, Parikoy. Thank you so much. What language you're talking? I am talking Filipino. Filipino language. Jose Marie Mujica. Thank you so much, guys. Saka lang, bye na, I need to go na. Sige, Prince Gospel, ingat. Good morning po. Hi, kay Monsur Ano Nuevo. O, kaano-ano mo si Shai. Ano Nuevo yun, ha? Sam, thank you, Sam. Nagpasalbabida si Sam. Ay, thank you so much, Sam. Ay, gagi, nagpaswan. Ay, why swan? Swan! Ay! Hi, Norman Bernal. Norman Bernal, thank you for tapping the screen. Sam, thank you so much. Astraf Ali, thank you. I am talking English. Hindi ko kilala yon. Ako din, hindi ko din kilala. Nakakalunod tong kalaban natin, guys. Nalulunod ako. I am so much drowning. Habibi Marok, hello. Guys, let's see. 1 minute to go before the PK and live. J, hello to MM. Okay lang, 10 U2. Hi, Norman Bernal. Thank you for joining. BB Boy, magandang morning po. Ay! Thank you, Sam. Thank you so much.
Thank you for the heart, big brother.
Ay, 1 to. Guys, 30 seconds to go, guys. OMG, my nephew was here. My nephew, naughty here. Hi, Jovet. Thank you for joining. Hi, Mundar Vlogs. Happy birthday.
I hope you're good.
Guys, it's nice! Okay naman. You're welcome po. Thank you. Thank you, Norman Bernal. Wow, thank you so much, Sam, for being my MVP. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sam. Shout out my MVP right now is Sam. Thank you for the 4-win streak. Okay, last
Brother,
one.
thank you. Brother, what's up with you?
Pwede po ba i-smile screenshot ko lang, souvenir?
God bless you. Brother, thank you. Brother, God bless you. Thank you, everyone. Hi, brother.
Yan, screenshot mo na. Tagal eh, nangalaya. First time to 15 points.
Thank you, brother.
Hindi
Thank you so much.
ko.
God bless you.
Sige, Georgetown, ingat. Thank you so much. Shout out. Thank you so much.
Yes, you would.
Good morning, beautiful pa. Shout out kay JR Casuela. Shout out. Sam, thank you for tapping the screen.
They didn't come
Ay,
on.
Shadow Pain. Thank you, Sam.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you so much,
Hi,
Sam.
good morning.
Taga-antike taga-antike ka.
Yeah,
Taga-kapis din ako.
welcome in. Brother, what are you up to?
Taga-kapis ako, guys. Hi, di amigo. Panalo ka na ba? Africana ba siya? Okay. Ay, guys, don't be a racist though, okay? Because there's a lot of people cannot do for like that. Norman Bernal. We are the same human. Kalog, nagbilog ta kalaban mo kunana. Malmal musak di bantay na. Wow, Daday! Thank you, Daday! Thank you so much, Daday. Shout out. Hi, Norman Bernal. Kurt Kong, thank you for tapping the screen. Guys, 1 rose 4 times 2, guys. For 16 seconds, we need to reach a target 4 times 2. Kurt Kong, thank you for tapping the screen, guys. Jose, salamat sa mga bagong join. Thank you, Sam. Sam is always here. Sam is now on the top. Thank you so much. Hi, Ibenge. Thank you for tapping the screen. Hindi ko na sana pinagmasdan ang iyong ganda. Aswang ka pala. Grabe naman, Joel Manangat. Porkit sabihin mo taga-kapis ka, sasabihin mo aswang na. Ay, nakaka-discriminate yan sa ibang taga-kapis, ha. Thank you, Sam. Wow, thank you so much for the hat and mustache, Sam. Dahil sa akala ko, hindi ako iibig sa'yo. Ikaw pala ang aakit sa puso ko. Kaya ngayon laging gulong-gulo ang puso ko't isipan. Araw-gabi ay pangarap ka. Wow, ada talent na, hehe. Oo, may talent ako. Ghost singer ako, no. Hi, Pari Koy. Kurt Kong, thank you for tapping the screen. Hi, Lon TV, where does such beauty lie? Joke lang, tags Rojas Kapis din ako, sabi ni Joel. Love you, sayang, everything you want me. Oh, my nephew was here. She's very naughty. She's always asar-asar me. Ha? Naasar ako lagi nitong pamangkin ko na to. This is my nephew. Hi. Say hi to them. Hi. I'm Awi. You said don't be snub them because they are my fan. Hello. Hi. Hi, Hi. Nahiyain. My nephew was very shame. She's shy. He's very shy. Kuna. Kamsakdan kabsat. Norman Bernal. Wag mong kunin yan, pera yan. Baka kainin mo eh. Sherwin Serda. Thank you, guys. Did you hear the pig? The pig was shouting. They are hungry.
Oh my God, let's go. It's so nicey.
Ha?
It's so very to see anything.
Oh, they so very anything.
Yes.
Oh, what happened to Donald Duck? Nowadays, he's so angry. Take him to hospital.
Oh my God.
Oh, what happened? OMG. Ah, snake! OMG. We are loose.
So,
Design for me.
Do you speak Tagalog? Yes.
so of course, it's inspiring. Okay.
Hi, Burb. Burb 101. Hala? Hala? John Liporada. Nanalo siya. No, nagbilog gamin kaslabula kunana. Guys, make me win, guys. Paiyakin natin si ate. Dali. Don't make it promises, baby, you know how to keep them well. I had a rest of you, know I want the best of you. I know it's time to fail, 'cause I found it all, or nothing at all. Bang, bang, bish, bish, bang, bang. There's no left to fall when you reach the bottom. It's now or never. Is it all, or are we just friends? Is how it ends, with a simple telephone call? You leave me here with nothing at all. There are times you look at me, I'm scaring with your memories. I feel in my heart, but I don't show it. Don't make it promises, baby, you know how to keep them well. Ay, bawal yan sa'yo. That is snacks. Ay, that is junk food. Give me.
No, it's Kira.
Chichirya nga yan. Yes, it's kikira. I will give you that one, the milk. The one. Give me. Thank you, Sam, for the bush, bush, bang, bang. Oy, turn back. This one. Do you want that one, Ay. Ay, nilakan tayo ni Mama. Ay, akala ko nilakan tayo. You are funny. I had a rest of you. Oy, akala ko babalik mo yan. Turn back here. Nilakan ako. Ito, mas masarap. Ay. My nephew ran away the one crunchy. I had a rest of you, know I want the best of you. I don't know if that's not care, 'cause I found it all, or nothing at all. There's nowhere left to fall when you reach the bottom. It's now or never. Hi, Harold Panaginip, watching from Brisbane, Australia. Hi, ganda, taga saan ka? Taga Nueva Vizcaya po, Pilipinas po. Bigyan mo kasi pagkain pamangkin mo, Madam Pintas. Hindi nga pwede sa kanya yung junk food. He is not able for eating junk food because it's not good for kid. Ay! Happy Friday! Thank you, Sam! Kun Sam! Sam, thank you! Thank you so much!
I'm grateful.
Hi, Kurt Kong! Thank you for tapping the screen. There are times it used to me, I'm sharing with you memories. I feel it in my heart, but I don't show it. Don't make me promises, baby, you know how to keep them well. Ay, parang kulang I had a rest of you, know I want the best of you. I don't know if that's not care, 'cause I found it all, or nothing at all. There's nowhere left to fall when you reach the bottom. It's now or never. Is it all, Or are we desperate? If this is how it ends with a simple telephone call, you leave me here with nothing at all. Do you have a relationship? No, I don't have already relationship. I am still single while I am searching my my kaparagpag. What is kaparagpag? No. While I'm searching my destiny. Unstable connection. Ako, unstable connection tayo, guys. I think my... Thank you, it's the chosen one. Guys, it's night! Ay, sana wala silang sniper. I think that they have no snipers. I think. Thank you, Sam. Thank you so much, Sam. Sam. Thank you, Sam! Big respect to you, Sam. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you for the nuggets. Thank you so much, Sam. Nabawi natin yung one nuggets na lang tayo. Hi, Rai. Thank you for joining. It's the chosen one. Welcome back on my live. Jerome Brown. Hello, Jerome Brown. Wow, hope you'll find it through. Can I apply? I am not already hiring now. But maybe someday, maybe this time. Maybe this time, it be loving till fine. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's smiling like she used to feel way back then. Ah, my God. Ilutom ta nuggets, madam, makapabisin. Apay maluluto day jay. Madi mailuto. Itibaw. You sing a cappella well? Yes. If I'm going to sing a cappella. Sige. If I'm going to sing a cappella, it's very good. But if I'm going to sing with instrumental like this, lyrics, my voice is look like Banarbar speaking. Tugudug like that. And it was very droning. Pinky Fast Fantasy. Ay, ang ganda niya. Agkanta ka man ti kundi man, madam. You get my attention. Thank you, Jerome Brown. And we were Romeo and my daddy stopped and my daddy stopped. Wait, come Juliet, and I was everything, baby, please don't go. And I said, Romeo, save me, somewhere I can be alone. I'll be waiting, and as me to sing a song, you'll be the princess, I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. Oh, thank you, Sir Gambler. Diba? Ang galing-galing ko. Then we were Romeo when my daddy stepped and my daddy stopped. Wait, come Juliet, and I was everything, baby, you please don't go. And I said, Romeo, save me, somewhere I can be alone. I'll be waiting, and it's been a serious song. You'll be the princess, I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. Oh, oh. Diba? Sumasayaw siya tapos kumakanta ako ng love story. Ato. Papirita, papirit, piriririririririt, piririt, dayang-dayang, nuni ayati ka sa pulan, mang paragsak, day tarik na. Ijay pa'y agin kukunan, agin papakipud, arik tay sarak-sarak tarik nam uray na pobre no nabat nang nunabiglaan ket awan arig mut patang nga agkatang-katang agayat kaitan, adot maraman ang ragsak ti biyag, anak ka iparswaan. No sikatay napili unay, bagsak munton ti na ay. Sangsangit mo ka sa uday, adu asisen na ay, adipin at bugtak tu intakta kunay. Kaya dyan na buyak kita tayo. No addaguram kanyak, iyutot mulatan, pagsarmingan. No adda tiguram kanyak, iyutot mulatan, pagsarmingan. Kunana ma. Hi Arnel Saldua, salamat sa mga bagong join dyan. Hi, it's the chosen one. Ala, kimapoy di internet min. Awang gaming kuryente, brand out manon, bulok talaga ti sister. Kuryente ti ayan mi. Every week latang ag brand out nga kaste guys. Mapaspasamak ti ayan mi. Diyan man amo, napika na yung brand out. Iso nga, no ma-awardan kami ti best brand out. Dito, ayan mi, awardan nyo. Kanyo trophy na. Ay, wow. Di wow, wala na. Ukis ni Sabana kas Zaino at naguram kanyak iyot-tot mulatan. Pagsarmingan. I wish we could be that at the age of marriage. Sige, sumanala ka, 32 pelata points mo. Naun na to aming naururat mo man. Hi, Senso Lalamuro. Salamat sa mga bagong join dyan. Wish I could be the one that I could be loved. The kind of love you really need. Wish I could say to you that I could always be with you. But baby, that's not me. You need someone willing to give their heart and soul to you. Promise you forever, baby, that's something I can do. Oh, I could say that I'll be all you need, but that would be a lie. I know that only hurt you. I know that only make me cry. I'm not the one you needed. I love you. Goodbye. I hope someday you can find someday you understand. I'm only doing this for you. I don't really wanna go, but deep in my heart I know this is the kind of thing to do. Di wow manon, haha ko na nakindi. You need someone willing to give the heart and soul to you. Promise you forever, baby, that's something I can't do. Oh, I could say that I'll be all you need, but that would be a lie. I know that only hurt you. I know that only make you cry. I'm not the one you needed. I love you. Goodbye. Needing someone, and then you love someone is the hardest thing to do. When you love someone how much I love you. Ay, huwag kuryente. Brand out guys, tignan nyo na yung wifi, 50-50 na. Nasobra akman nagpasyon. How old are you, madam? Ayan. I am turning 62 this year. Magsi-62 na ako, guys. Magsi-60 na. Makakakuha na ako ng senior citizen. Oh? Ha? You are again? What happened?
What happened to you?
Oh, what happened to me? I'm already transformation for being Marimar.
You very happy.
Me?
Me extrañaste.
I'm not happy to see you.
Dime mi amor.
Dime mi amor. Dime mi amor. Tú. Por favor. Huh. Why are you laughing again?
¿Quién te ha enseñado las palabras? ¿Quién te está enseñando español, amorcito? Porque vos solo sos para mí.
I am serious. I am serious now. Don't talk me like Spanish that I don't know to understand.
No te voy a enseñar español, amorcito, pero te voy a
No,
despechar.
no, no, no. Español. No Español language. El Nica. Antonio.
En serio.
Antonio.
El culo, si huevo.
El Nica.
¿Qué pasó, amorcito?
El Nica Antonio Gargarapuna.
Ay, no. Antonio, no.
Why no? You call
No,
me
no.
you call me Anita and Antonio wedding reception.
Listen to me.
Anita and Antonio El Nica wedding reception.
Ángel, ¿a dónde le salió la... Lo voy a llamar para que me platique todo.
Ayaw niya tawagin ko siya ng Antonio.
Listen.
Always listen. I am
Listen
always
to me.
okay. What are you saying?
Repeat after me. Mi turcudo favorito.
Mi turko paborito Spanish bread.
Okay, sí.
Hi, Nico Bilbao. Guys, one rose. I don't have... If I'm going to play with you, I have no gifter. Hoy,
Y usted viendo jañas en calzón allá.
Antonio.
Peladita.
Antonio, if I'm going to play with you, I have no gifter so much. You have a black hole in your head. You are... naakwa
Y
ka.
lo que está viendo Ángel me dice...
Mannagapot
me dice,
ka.
¿Qué pasó? Anything.
Give me your wheelchair.
Te quiero.
Te quiero.
Okay.
Te quiero house and lot.
No sé cómo es te quiero en inglés. Espérame.
Ay,
Te
sponsor.
voy a enseñar
Elika. Sponsor mi wheelchair. Yo.
No sé qué puta me estés diciendo, ojalá no me estés ofendiendo, puka.
Isardang mo nga minta pa nagyugiwa mong Espanyol, amok nga Pilipino ka. Stop talking English. Ay, Spanish. Ay, English only.
No sé ni verga, ni inglés, nada, ni turca. Para el español soy medio tartamudo, como la béisbol.
Kasano ka nga rin ba katungtong na Espanyol ka? How can I talk to you if you are Spanish? I only know Spanish bread. You know, the Spanish bread here, it's very delicious.
Listen. I love you en español es te quiero.
How about I hate you?
I love you en inglés. En español te quiero.
Te quiero.
Ok, te quiero.
Okay, congrats. Te quiero. How about I hate you? I hate you.
No te entiendo ni turca.
Stress. Paano mo i-translate yung I hate you? Te quiero. Te quiero. Oh, oy. The te quiero here in Philippines rooftop.
What?
The te quiero in English, te quiero. Te quiero is rooftop. 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 Yes, rooftop. That is the rooftop of the house. Yero yun. Oh,
Rooftop.
rooftop. Give me rooftop. because our rooftop is many holes. There's a lot. If we're going to rain, we are on the flood control. our rooftop is many hole. If there is a rain, if there is a like flood, we cannot flood control.
Gracias, Wilmer. Él habla ese idioma. No, mi hermano, un día lo voy a poner aquí a jugar con mi hermano.
Antonio.
¿Qué idioma habla? Él habla inglés.
Okay, bye-bye.
No.
No. Again. Oh, okay. We are already married.
Sí, Wilmer, es que tuve varios días que no me conecté.
Come Philippines. Come Philippines.
Okay.
And we're go to Pasig River. Pasig River, because that is the very cheap date.
Sí, no estaba jugando mucho también. Sí,
Mucho.
Me bajaron, no quería que me bajaran.
Swan,
¿Mm?
sponsor me and you're going to bring your wheelchair so that my wheelchair is old like this. Oh. Antonio, my
Very
chair,
good.
there is no wheel. Give me wheelchair. Hoy.
Anything.
Oh, that one. I like your chair. Give me. What can I do for the bouquet? It's not a food. I cannot eat that. I cannot eat that flower. You give me squash flower so that I will make dinengdeng and pinakbet.
Nunca te han regalado nada.
You know that bouquet, it's not good for me. I want already the squash flower. Squash flower, hoy. Because squash flower is the benefits. You're going to make pinakbet, dinengdeng, and vegetable salad. Mga basher dito sa tubyo ko, ipalado kayo nga dinaura. Pa-shoutout naman ganda, Antonio Hablara contigo a partir de ahora y pronto te padira que sea su novia. Ano yun? What's that? Hoy! They go ko. Why? Daday. El Nika Antonio was slapping you. You're talking.
Listen.
Listen.
They want you to be my girlfriend.
They want you to be my girlfriend? Okay, come on.
They want you to be my
Lando.
¿Sí o no? Sí.
Kim Jong. Hi, Kim Jong. Hi, bakit ko? Grabe ka, di pa ako bakit.
Wilmar, gracias.
Message me later. I have something to tell you. Hi, Amy Bandarlipe. Nakakatuwa ka. Tumahimik ka na daw, sabi ni Annie. Ikaw ang tumahimik. Subuan kita ng abukado para tumahimik. Palo ka, bakit ko kunana? Aray ko, masakit yun. Wag mo ko paluin, Kim Jong. Anjo, salamat sa mga bagong join. You eat again? Oh, you all, if I'm going to be play with you, you already eat. You are full, but you are not going to pack. Wilmer Rivera, you have relatives here, the artist. Wilmer, I am Miss Anything Rivera.
You Rivera?
I am Anything Rivera.
Rivera,
My name is Talia Rivera.
Talia?
Wilmer.
Kuya Will Enrique.
Uy, may pinsan ako. Hi, Kalingap Jose. Oo, Espanyol to. Espanyol. Soon to be my... Ewan. La, 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 la.
Talia, my love.
Who is your love? Me? Chini eu amor contigo el de mio tan pitik-pitik equal camaron. What's that? Elnica! What they going to say? Kanya chini u amor contigo el de mio tan pitik-pitik equal camaron. Ay!
Talia, Wilmer es tu family.
Ha?
Wilmer Rivera es family.
Ah, we make a family? Ilalako dakon, ha? Hello, Miss Kalog, na imbag niya bigat ading. Hi, Kalingap Jose. Shararat. Hi, Kera Sibog. Hi, Hank Eros Rayon. Okay, bye-bye.
Ya.
Anong yak? Bye. Lobat na ako, wala kaming kuryente. Lagi na lang brand.
Así ve.
Okay, bye.
Ya, bye bye.
Ja, bye-bye.
Tomorrow.
No tomorrow, next year.
¿Por qué?
¿Por qué? Por favor. Contigo.
Tomorrow.
No tomorrow.
¿Cómo le decimos? ¿Cómo es jugar en inglés?
No tomorrow.
¿Cuándo?
You learn more English.
Espérate. One moment.
Pirate. Pirate.
One
Pirate.
moment.
Pirate. Pirate. Pirata. Pirata. Pirata is piranha, like El Nica.
Listen.
Busy.
When we play then.
Ay. Excuse me.
Gina.
Sorry. Okay, bye-bye.
No.
Ay!
One moment.
I am Lobat. My
Wait,
phone is dead.
Escucha.
When we play then.
I don't have a gift card. Did you see? I have no supporters.
When we play.
Tomorrow.
No. Hi, meow meow. Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow. Arf arf arf. Meow meow. Meow meow. Tap the screen. Mitch, thank you for joining.
Meow.
Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow. Meow. Hi, Pansy. Guys, double tap times 3 gifting points, guys. Ay! Nagpa-albatros da. Kasi magbaga ko. Oh, Elnica, I have a favorite perfume, Albatros. If you're going to give me Albatros,
Gracias,
ha?
Johanna.
Oh, Oh, Elnica, if you're going to give me perfume, the brand you are going to choose Albatros, okay? Salvador Das. Romel Villedo. That is my favorite because the perfume of my... Hi, Bert Asibal. Meow, 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 meow. Nandito na meeting place namin sa Kalam. Is this comedy or real?
A esa le tiran por allá.
No, it's a comedy bar. What kind of perfume? The kind of perfume that I want is Albatros, Lysol, and Baulila.
No, hombre, no, nivel no.
Nagkakaintindihan pa ba kayo, Kabsat? Hindi na. Kaya MU kami niyan, Love Quarrel. LQ kami minsan. Elnica! How much we have together? How months? How many months? This is our mansari, right? Ay, thank you, Ilocana. ¿Ha?
Ella tiene, sí, tiene bastante gente. Siempre mantiene bastante conectado.
This is our mansari. Hi, Romel Villedo. Thank you for
No, que
joining.
puta, yo estoy peluchón, Olivera. Ella...
Puta nga. Bad. Bad puta. Times 2.
No.
Times 2,
Puta
guys.
no.
Times 2. 53 seconds.
Puta no.
No, puta.
No.
Bad. No.
No.
How di Carabao di Batuten. Oy, thank you, Ilocana. Thank you,
El
Kabsat.
idioma ella es filipino. Sabe inglés. Y ya sabe bastantes palabras en español.
I said you are going to learn Spanish. Ay, English, not Spanish. Because my Spanish is look like Panis. Shell, Sirupad, thank you for joining. Panis na panis yung pananalisa ko ng E-I-O-U.
Para enseñarle por
Anong
lo menos
mansari?
tendría que saber
Tektosan ko
inglés.
yan si Pulgoso. Wow, sana all mansari na. Oo,
A ver,
mansari
siento que
na.
me diga pulgoso esta sala.
Oh, did you already watch Marimar?
Malimar.
Yes, I am the one actress that I'm going to portray being Talia. Marimar has a dog named Pulgoso. Ay, you don't know that? OMG.
Yo no iba a zapa porque yo me
If you are Espanyol, you know Marimar. If you are Espanyol, you know Marimar.
Italiano. Filipina. You Filipina.
Yes.
Yes, va.
And I am Talia. I am Filipina and I am from Italia. Tapos Italia. Diyos ko, nagkaroon ako ng jowa na Spanish, sumakit ulo ko, di ko siya maintindihan. Talaga, Ilocana girl, nagkaroon ka ng Spanish na jowa, kaya pala naaalala mo kami. Ay, Ilocana girl, ano naman naramdaman mo na nagka-jowa ka ng Spanish? Sweet ba sila? Ito kasi ang bitter to eh.
I'm going to bring you to Nicaragua.
What I'm going to Nicaragua? I'm going hunting like Dora Explorer. Hi, user.
Caribe, no. Esta mechuda.
Meow, meow, meow.
Mechuda.
Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Okay, bye-bye. I'm only 1:30. Meow, 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 meow.
¿Qué culpa tengo yo que la gente no te
Bye-bye. My battery is on dead on arrival. Bye.
¿Qué culpa tengo yo que la gente no te tire nada?
Ay, upay, uray sumana uka mo, awatang ka nga rod. Uray pukula ko, nahaanon. Meow,
No
meow,
tengo
meow.
culpa yo que la gente peluchona sea pobre, yo no tengo culpa.
Ay. My headache, I have a headache. If you're talking Spanish, I don't understand what you're talking about.
No tengo culpa yo que... que grabó mi nombre, dije que...
I'm so very hard to understand you. I'm so sorry. Oh,
María,
I'm not Maria. I am Talia.
No, no, Talia.
I am Italia.
My name is Anderson.
Anderson, you are Antonio.
Anderson.
Oh, really? You are Antonio?
Bye.
You are Antonio and I am Anita.
Bye.
Antonio, bye-bye. Meow, 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 meow. And where is Pulgoso?
No. Tú eres la pulgosa.
No, I'm searching Pulgoso, my dog. Hi, Gina. And where is Meow Meow? Meow Meow.
Yung pulgosa.
I'm not Pulgosa. You are the one. You are the one.
Yo no.
Hoy, Antonio.
Bye-bye, pues.
You're going to wash our clothes right now. Don't live TikTok, okay? I know tomorrow. Because tomorrow you're going to washing our clothes and you're going to wash the dirty kitchen and you're going to wash the bathroom and you're going to wash household doing. Okay? So you did not able to go on TokTik and I was going to sit on your wheelchair. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Ay,
Cuídate.
nakuryente ka nga, anima. Pati kang pagpakata. Guys, I will be going out because here in our place is already run out. And I take advantage for saving my battery because my battery is already 61%. Okay, bye-bye. Sakit sa ulo, di ba? Sobra. Tawa ng tawa pero wala ka naiintindihan. Maria Mercedes ang pangalan ko. Pinanganak ako sa aming baryo. Pinangalanan ako na Italiano. Pinanganak ako noong buwan ng Oktubre. Buwan ng Agosto. Joke lang. Guys, bye-bye na. Mag-out na ako, guys. Nasakit ng ulo ko yung nakausap ko. Na-absorb ko yung Spanish breed. Spanish breed. Bye! Thank you so much, Ilocana girl. And to all of you, Sam, thank you. Ganyan din ako dati, sakit ng ulo ko. Eh di nag-break kayo ng jowa mo, Ilocana girl. Nag-break din kayo ng jowa mong yan. Hi, Assassin. Thank you for tapping the screen. Bye, ganda. Thank you, Amy Bandarlipe. Thank you po sa inyong lahat. Good morning! Kabsat, magkain na tayo ng ararawan. Supay ako man timasilamin tatangal daw. Naibos si sardinas nga kakasidadan. Assassin! Okay guys, bye-bye everyone. Thank you so much to all of you Ilocana girl. Di ko alam bakit lapitin ako ng Spanish na lalaki. Baka nandun yung destiny mo, Ilocana. Try ko nga din. Joke lang. Suko na ako. Okay, thank you so much Ilocana girl. Huwag kang sumuko, ipaglaban mo. Huwag kang bibitaw. Panindigan mo yan. Bye! Ingka agpuligligin ko na. Si Kantupet, ikuyug-yugag. Arnel. Anya na ganan, agkanta, agkuy-kuyug-yug ka. Agkan-kanta kag tigtagargar. Bye! Bye everyone! Salamat po sa inyo. Michael Kabading, salamat. Thank you so much guys. Bow! Bye! Thank you guys!